Hey guys, here's a quick demo of AffiliWeapon. So I'm going to log into my account to show you how this powerful software works in a few minutes. Okay, so once you have access to the dashboard, you have access to where we call the site menu, where you can actually create the done for you AffiliWeapon site. We have the training section, we have the support, we have the offers, and we have the traffic as well. So I'm going to go straight to creating a site. So click on the create new site button. Okay, so once you click on the create new site button, you have access to all these done for you site templates. Depending on the type of package that you purchase, if it's FE, you're going to have access to 5 done for you sites with 1 extra to promote AffiliView itself. Then we also have the secret commission sites, which is 3 done for you sites to promote secret commission offers. And we have the done for you itself with 20 done for you sites to promote 20 done for you offers from different affiliate platforms like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo. So all you need to do is just to click on any of the done for you sites that you want to use. So, and you can as well preview them as well. Let's say I want to go with this. You can click on the preview button. Click on the preview button, you see how the done for you site looks like. You can see the bonus is there. So this is one of our tested winning strategy of getting tons and tons of commissions from affiliate promotion, and this works like crazy. So now once you preview any of the templates you want to use, then you can select it and go ahead to start creating your site. So I'm going to click on the choose button. Okay, so once you click on the choose button, it brings you to the page editor where you can actually customize your AffiliWeapon site. As you can see, this is the bonus you're giving out for free, and in return for the visitors to get products, they need to actually purchase another affiliate product. So that is how you make money. You make money by giving out free gifts. So all you need to do is just go to the freebie or offer section and get your affiliate links. Once you get your affiliate links, just come straight to this page and edit all the hyperlinks on the site. Like for example, here you double click inside. Once you double click inside, you can highlight this. So once you hyperlink, can you see that? So you can click on this hyperlink button here. Then you put your affiliate link here and you click on the OK button. Once you're done with that, look for where we have all the hyperlinks. Do the same thing here. Double click, go to the insert link section, put your affiliate link. So once you're done with that, also do the same thing for the buttons. Click on the buttons here, click on the settings, then you see the target link, put in your affiliate link here. And once you're done, you can add your site URL. So you click on the add site URL, you put your website name there. You see that, you click on the OK button once you're done. Once that is saved, you can go to publish in order to publish your site. Once you publish your site, you can preview your site to see how your site looks like. Okay, so our site is ready with our affiliate links. So this is how simple AffiliWeapon is. So all you need to do is just to close the editor once you're done adding your affiliate links, and it's time to get traffic to our AffiliWeapon site. So head over to the traffic section. Once you get to the traffic section, then go to websites, then click on add new websites in order to add your AffiliWeapon site to get traffic to it. So just copy your AffiliWeapon site, paste the website URL here, which is your AffiliWeapon link, and then you set the visit duration. Like the visit duration is the number of time you want the visitors to spend on your site, maybe 30 seconds, 5 seconds, 20 seconds. So you can set that. Once you're done, you set the maximum hits per hour. That is the number of visitors you want per hour to your site. Once you're done, you can move to the next thing where you set the limit total hits if you want it to be unlimited or limited. Then scroll down, you can set the traffic source as well, and also the countries. Once you're done with all this, you can click on the add, and then your website will be added to the traffic site automatically, and before you know it, you start getting tons of traffic to your website. Thank you for watching. Bye.